Hey guys, this is David here, straight from Forex Empire, and today is the weekly webinar, January 23rd, 2018. So I'm going to start from GBP pairs, alphabet G, because yesterday I have finished the other pairs from AUD, CAD, CHF, Euro, and all that. So I'm going to be going over GBP CAD, GBP and NZD and USD and gold in the end. So far, the new signal we have seen was AUD USD. That drop was really nice. We pretty much got in yesterday. Saw that M formation right there, a nice W level 1 consolidation, a big fat one, and then a second consolidation and a nice M at the 78.6 retracement. So you can see there is a divergence that we always look for on W and M's, and boom, we are in a sell and straight into the profit right now. So that's good going. And AUD, we were in AUD NZD. That also is a nice trade that we got in at this level. Basically, this one was an A top. This was a W right here, and A top, level 1, level 2, and we're aiming for 61.8. That looks pretty good to me. Straight into the profit. And let's see Euro CHF. Our Euro CHF is kind of still playing out. In a bigger time frame, we see a nice W with a divergence, level 1 and level 2. Nice wedge that we're waiting on. The moment it breaks out below, that's when basically it has a divergence that we always look for. And we do know that this is an M formation, so what we're waiting on is to break out. But we trying to get in on the before the breakout so we can put our stop, so we don't have to worry about the whole drop, you know. And I'm expecting the price to close this gap, so it's going to be a long haul. Most likely going to be around 1,000 pips. So it's good. We are basically risking only 100 pips, so not a big deal. But let's go back to GBP CAD. All right, so GBP CAD is basically got it set up already, as we can see here. On a daily time frame, you might see it clearly there. So here was an M formation. You can't see the divergence on a 4-hour. You will see it there. From here to here, the whole thing. And then W, there was a divergence right here. And then level 1, level 2, level 1, level 2. And we see the M pretty much. The breakout did happen, but if we follow this, pretty much we can expect back around the zone, just a little breakout, maybe go back to the resistance level just in case. I mean, I might look for a sell, but I would like to look for a reversal candlestick. So let's see, let's do our Fibonacci extensions. 100% would be right on the zone. So it's going to be an ABCD pattern. So we'll just see, we'll just wait out and see if it does spike up right here, right around there. So we'll just have to wait. I mean, it's a nice breakout retest. So and this is a resistance level, so it might be a possibility of the price to drop. If it does drop, the price will come down all the way till here. So let's see how much pips is this one. We might enter this one now just in case we don't want to miss it. It's only 300, 400 pips, so not a big one on this one, but let's see. Okay, always 1 to 3 risk reward. So this is 1 to 0.38, and if you push it a little bit higher, right above the there. So coordination stop level Whoa, that's quite a bit. Actually, no. Hold on a minute. That's 100 pips. This is 500 pips. So, no, I'm not gonna get in. This is quite a bit. That's 5% risk. I don't want to take this risk right now. So, I might wait for a better entry. So, just wait it out. Probably this is a W level 1, maybe on a 4-hour time frame. Let me see. Yeah, let's see. Let's wait it out. I'm not gonna rush into this one. And all right, GBP USD. All right, GBP USD from last week, I believe. We were waiting on the 100% retracement, level 1, level 2. There's a nice M that we entered right here. There. This was W, level 1, level 2. M formation right here, as you can see. The divergence is still valid. So we might enter on the second trade, most likely. So we'll just see. Hold on. We only took like a 1% risk, so no big deal. We can make it back in one trade. So let's see. 1, 2, 3 daily candle. All right, we haven't seen anything on a daily candle yet. So I'll just wait it out probably for Wednesday. And then we might see something, a reversal, and we'll enter this trade. GBP NZD. All right, GBP NZD, currently we are in profit on this one. And this is an M formation, W, level 1, level 2, M formation with a nice divergence here. This one I'm just considering this based on this M. There's a smaller M right here, and I'm going based on that. But 4-hour time frame kind of gets you in a good perspective there. As you can see, this is another M, level 1, level 2. This is a breakout that I'm waiting on just to drop it down. So 61 didn't got 61 didn't got respected, so we're just gonna go based on 78.6, and we just have to wait it out. But most likely the price never violates the first level right here. So most likely the price not gonna go back up. If it does, then it will be a one big consolidation. This is gonna be one big level. But most likely, I don't think this is gonna be it. So let's wait it out and see how it plays out. There's a lot of pins to the top, so we can see rejection. Once the breakout happens here, it can be a nice breakout, but it can go back up, but we're break even, so it's no big deal. And on to the next one, GBP CHF. GBP CHF is playing around, so we might see another push up to the upside and then probably a rejection. But this one doesn't have any patterns right now, so I wouldn't really push on it entering on this. So this is pure technicals. A lot of people like it, but I like to implement it with the market maker, and we'll see from there, you know. So the fifth wave is coming in, so we might see a rejection from there, but until then, we'll just have to wait it out. Okay. Okay, GBP-CHF and then GBP-AUD. All right, GBP-AUD is pretty much level 1, level 2. since it's gone to the upside, I'm going to consider this one as a level, one whole level. All right, so we'll just have to wait and see how this plays out. If we see rejection at this support, we might enter this trade on the probably on the breakout right here. Probably on the breakout, we're gonna enter on the trade right on there for the support all the way down here. All right. Until then, I'm not gonna enter anything. I mean, so far it looks good, but we'll just see. I'll just wait for the M to form it up. I mean, the level 1 to finish forming, probably reversal candlestick. We might enter on this trade. Okay. Let's see what else we got. GBP JPY. All right, GBP JPY. So as we've seen here on a 4-hour time frame, a nice W level 1, level 2. We might see a M formation right here and a drop. So just waiting patiently. So we'll just have to wait M and then drop probably. And then on a bigger structure, we do see a bigger thing happen in here. All right, as you can see, this is a chop, but here you can see the divergence actually. So we're just waiting on that divergence to complete so we can sell it all the way to the bottom. Right? All right, now next to NZD now, NZD JPY. All right, NZD JPY is, all right, there. All right, basically we found an A top, level 1, level 2, a V bottom, and now level 1, level 2, a M formation right at the 78.6, and we do see a rejection from that point with the divergence. So let's see how the breakout happens, and we can be in profit. We can put a stop loss to break even once we are. Right now we're currently in 30 pips in profit, so we'll just have to wait it out. All right. NZD CHF. All right, NZD CHF, we're waiting on that also. Since we've seen a nice W here, level 1, level 2, these are the pushes. Remember, guys, these are the pins: rejection, pin, rejection, and then the fourth one. So a lot of times you might get confused when you count your elliott waves, but I go based on the numbers that I see. I'm not going based on the elliott wave completely like that. That's it. So it's kind of easier to get it, but a lot of times people are going to be saying, oh, the third wave is not longer than the first wave or whatever that is. But we can see this one right here. So far, the resistance hasn't been broken. So this pattern is still valid. All right. And this is the support right here. I mean, the support for the M, resistance for the level 1. So it has passed through the level 1, but we'll just have to wait it out and see how that plays out. All right, right there. So let's see, guys, how that plays out. We sold it here, but then price rejected and went back up. So let's see how that plays out. All right. I mean, most likely it can go back up. Based on if this can be a level 1 right here, and this can be level 2, probably we might see an upside, but so far right now we don't see anything, and we'll just hold on to it currently. All right. NZD USD. All right, NZD USD. It's been playing hard on us. 61.8 never got respected. Probably that 78.6 is right there. Let's see. Daily. Okay, there. Much clean. So here's the resistance level right here. This is the resistance zone right there. That's a resistance zone. So we'll just see how that plays out, guys. We might enter back in again on this trade since we're out, but I mean, it's a nice trade actually, but let's see on a 4-hour time frame. The M is not clear enough for us to enter on this trade yet, but I might wait for the breakout. Once the breakout happens, then I might enter this trade. So far, it doesn't look convincing at all right now. Yeah, just wait it out. Just wait for the breakout, and then put your stop higher, and then voila. So we'll just wait it out, guys, on this one, okay? NZD CAD. All right, NZD CAD currently in profit. We found the peak, level 1, level 2 consolidation, sideways movement, and then the big W right here, breakout, retest. I believe, I'm not sure, but we entered right here, and the price shifted up. We have our stop loss right here. Currently, what we're seeing is this is the resistance zone of a W, and the price needs to break out above, and I'm expecting the price to go back here, but so far right now, this one can be considered as level 1, but we'll just wait it out and see how this plays out. This can be considered as level W, level 1, level 2, but we'll just have to wait and see any rejections or not. So far looking good, so far going good. So, all right, we'll just, I believe we are in 89. $230 pips in profit. NZD CAD. Yeah, 230 pips in profit. So not bad, not bad. So we'll just wait, guys. All right, we'll just wait it out. Let the price push up. And what's next? USD CHF. USD CHF. All right. So USD CHF, there's no pattern right now, but we do see a nice pattern right here. This can be, okay, let's reevaluate our patterns. Okay, if we go based on this right here, let's consider as level 1. It's going to be level 2. That's a W right there with a nice divergence at the 78.6. So we can expect the price to go back up on US dollar. So let's see long positions. If we go for long, we will go back to the resistance zone. That will be around $1 or in 1.004. Our stop loss is gonna go beneath. It's gonna be called profit level. Okay, perfect. Stop loss is 1,000 pips. Take profit is 4,000. 100 pips and take profit is 400 pips. So that actually plays out perfectly. All right, perfect. Level 1, level 2. Nice reversal candlesticks right here. Okay, so USD CHF, stop loss would be 0.95300. Take profit would be 1.003. And okay, I think we found our levels that we were looking for. See, the previous resistance, they didn't get, basically you can see this like there. Voila, voila, voila. Lower low, higher highs, lower lows. All right, so basically you can say this, as you can see, I'm not sure if it falls into the, yeah, it doesn't fall into the Elliott wave theory, but I'm just making a wild example, all right? Okay. Okay, 953, 1.003, buy. Okay, so we'll be buying this trade right now. All right, USD CAD. Okay, USD CAD is currently on a process of finishing the pattern. So we're just gonna give it time to push to the, basically if you go to the bigger time frame, there was a wedge. It came along all the way here. This is a second level, I would say, but on a smaller time frame, this is an M, level 1, level 2, probably here, level 3 right here. A nice push up after that. So it's going to be a nice ABCD pattern. So I'm just letting it basically finish so we can enter this trade. So far, we have only downtrend, as we can see, for USD CAD. So, but there's not a big risk reward, so I'm not getting in this trade right this minute. So USD JPY. Okay, so USD JPY is currently on a cycle of M level 1, level 2, W level 1, and M formation right here, level 1, M formation right there, level 1, level 2, W formation right there. So we already have our loss on that one, but I'm still expecting the price to go back up. But currently I'm just gonna leave it alone and see how it plays out, since I don't feel comfortable getting back in again, since it's really not clean enough for me to enter this trade. All right, guys. So we'll just see. This can be a big level. So we'll just wait and see. All right. This can be another push, probably another level, W right here, and a push up, because there's a gap. You have to see it. So let's wait it out on that one. Okay. And what else we got next? All right, XAU USD. All right, XAU USD is totally fine. We're just waiting on that level to finish up. Gold is not a good pair to trade on MMM because it's not clear a lot of times, but a lot of time it's clear. And right here it's not clear, but here it is clear. W level 1, level 2. Now we're seeing an M pattern. So once it finishes, we can expect the drop to happen. So we're just gonna wait on that one on the gold. So let's see how that plays out. All right, guys. I think that's about it. I think I covered everything that we needed to know. Currently, we are at $3,000 profit. Let me share my screen with you guys real quick. Screen, desktop, boom. All right. So this is Forex Empire. Feel free to join. It's Telegram, Telegram at Forex Empire. I post a lot of free signal, free analysis right here where you can take advantage of. I usually don't give out signals on here. It's only for paid members, but you're welcome to join if you like. And currently on MT4, we got trades playing out. Let's see. Our lowest is $62, right? And the maximum profit we are in is $922. I don't stack trades, as you can see. Perfect example right here. And currently, right now, about to hit 3,000. Boom, there we go for the week. All right, so I mean, it's currently good profit, guys. I mean, and then a lot of people might not say, here's a live account. So Forex Pro Live, all right? Just to make a great example that Forex is not something to be rich quick, but it takes time. If you put in effort, you will see the result. But if you try to rush it, you won't. Definitely won't. All you're gonna do is lose money, and once you come into your senses, it's gonna be too late. All right, guys, trade safe, and everybody have a good weekend, and peace out.